Gold and silver has shown a very good bullish momentum after a couple of weeks now. And yes, the levels 26, 76, 80. How many times we have seen, we have discussed the levels that these are achievable for gold. What has happened? Gold has beautifully hit 26, 76 levels, while silver, see, this is the beauty of analysis. I've mentioned very clearly that once it breaks 3150, close your eyes, stay bullish. 32 has to be there and 3250 has to be there. What is seen, gold has shown silver has also shown a very good rise towards 32, 3250 levels. So what to expect today from gold and silver? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update. The next update will be released before the US session. This is the only channel to give you two updates. The subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Regarding the data sets today, we have a couple of key data points coming in from US, the labor cost and the non-farm productivity. This may bring or add to the volatility. So do watch for that. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the end and do, friends, like, share, and comment. This is a great motivation. All. What's happening on the early charts? After the rise, retracement towards the 20 period, taking the support from the 20 period, prices are moving upwards again. And now the support zone on the downside towards 2654, 55, or rather I will say 2658, 60, which was the resistance yesterday, is now going to be the prime support. And till 2650, it has got greater support. Only bearishness today in gold is if it trades below 2650. As long as it stays above 2650, we should not be treating this as bearish. This is very clear. On the upside, now it is very crucial for gold to trade above 2676.80 and then 85.87 levels. If these two zones are taken, chances will be very high that we may see gold trading above 2700 again. Possibility is there. Now look at the early charts. What has happened? A very good support is created at 2658.60, now trying to rise. Only question point here is the bullishness getting diminished, and hence we have to wait a little. We have to wait for it to trade about 2672, where you can buy, expect 2676.80 and higher levels. We'll discuss further. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence, and it appears that this should be the beginning of the bullish momentum here. The stochastic is overbought. MACD almost flat after a good rise here. The RSI is also looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, when you see a reversal sign after the retracement and couple of bullish candles here, but I will say that still you have to watch out with caution, because see what has happened here. After the rise, we have seen a pullback here. Now the Bollinger Bands have diverged and the prices are looking upward. So I'll wait for the next candle. I'll wait for gold to trade about 2672 and then 76 and 80. So till 2680, we have got greater resistances for gold here on the upside. Moving averages crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, and this makes this zone as a very critical support for gold on the downside. So if you see gold trading below 2658, you can take a sell, but then 2654, 55, 48, 50, very good support exists now at these levels. And only if it trades below 2648.50 is where the bears will be taking over. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign supportive of further bullish momentum. Coming to 3-hour, likewise on the 3-hour chart, see higher lows are consistently seen. This is a very crucial observation. See, all the candles are beautifully aligned, and also notice that the support here is now very strong. So now it is only to be treated bearish if it breaks these levels and move downwards. And if it breaks below 2648.50 zone and then 2645, we can say certainly more bearishness to prevail. But I am not looking forward to this. Why? Yesterday we have discussed this thing. If you connect this, this is the zone it would like to achieve, which is right now sitting at around 2685. 88 zone. So this is the zone which we should watch out with caution. This is the zone from where we have seen prices reversing earlier. So only and only if this is broken now today, then we can say further bullishness will be seen here. The stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI rising here. Coming to 4-hour, the observation is more or less same on the 4-hour charts. A retracement, a reversal, first bullish candle. I'll wait for the next one. If next one stays bullish here, I think gold is not going to come back down. It is going to deliver another bullish day today, and we can look forward to higher highs from what we had seen yesterday. And if you look at the move here, see, after staying in a zone for almost couple of weeks, now gold is giving a breakout. Now this breakout is very crucial. It can take it towards the highs. It can in fact hit double top here before reversing or before taking a dip. So double top means 2720. It's possible. Today is going to be a crucial day. Let's see if it tries to move towards these levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD divergent and bullish, looking upwards, RSI looking upwards as well. Coming to before we move to daily charts, if you also want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now look at the daily chart. See, right now I will say till 2676 80 zone is not taken, we have to be careful. And in fact, let me include now 2685 88. So these are the two key levels which it needs to break. Breaking beyond this, we can in fact expect 2700 and 2720 levels as well. And in the near term till 2750, you should not be treating gold as bullish. This is very very clear. Only bullishness in gold is if it trades about 2750. We are talking about monthly and weekly basis. Yes, on the monthly basis and weekly basis, as long as gold stays below 2750, you should not be treating this as bullish here. So now what is happening here? After the drop retracement, a bigger decline, it is retracing again, and it can try to take it towards the top here. But I will say 2720 2750 is something you should watch out for. But for the day, there are greater resistances which we had discussed. Stochastic rising, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. So looking, I'll recommend you to buy 2672, expect 76 2680 as the next target levels, and these are very crucial. And then the next one is 2685 88. Once it breaks beyond 2685 88, you can look forward to more bullishness, taking it till towards 2704 and then 2720 levels. Beyond this, sky is the limit. 2740 2750 should be there very very soon, though today it appears to be a difficult target. But yes, anything is possible. These are markets. On the downside, now this is only on the buy side. You have to also look on the flip side of the trades here. See, it can show you swings. The day has just started, and it is not that it is going to take a single direction and stick to it. It can possibly show you swings as well. So where you should sell, ideally, now I will recommend you to sell here at 26 see 64 levels you can sell. But then 2660 58 should be the nearest support. 2654 55 the next. 2648 levels the third. Now see, 2648 and 44, if these two levels are taken, then you can say now bears are back. You can look forward to 2634 and 2630 levels as the next target. Below 2630, it has to break below 2620, and if 2620 is taken, you are looking forward to a crash, a correction. Though the stance right now for gold is not so bearish, I do not expect it to drop below 26 30 20 zone. However, these are markets. You have to be prepared for anything and everything. If it drops below 2644 48 zone, stay below. That is the point of time we can say now we are looking forward to a correction in gold prices, else it is still not to be treated bearish. Now this is for gold. Let's move to silver. Likewise with silver, after the rise retracement, see, it is taking support from close to 20 period moving average, trying to bounce back. Now once it stays above 3210 levels, you can initiate a buying entry. I will be looking forward to 3250 and $33 levels here. Possibility is there. Now these levels I have mentioned yesterday, I have mentioned last week as well. Once it breaks beyond 3150, 32, 3250 and 33 has to be there. Now today is the day where it may try to show this move, and possibly we can look forward to the levels here is staying above 3210 is where slight bullishness will prevail. I will watch out for 3225 30 and then 3250 levels here. Now if you look at the moving averages, these are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Remember, for silver, rise retracement, bigger rise, it is trying to consolidate. Once it breaks out today again on the upside, we are looking forward to a stronger momentum. If you look at the hourly charts, this is how it has been trading. Where are the lows of this? Towards 3120 levels. So as long as now 3120 is not taken, or for the daily levels 30 80 31 is the only level below which you should treat this as bearish. Stochastic towards the top, MACD has crossed over here at the top on the hourly charts. Now MACD crossing over here suggests that possibly slight retracement on the downside before looking upwards is one possibility which exists strong. RSI has dropped here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation, retracement, reversal, rise here, and now looking upward. So once it stays beyond 32.10 and then 32.30, initiate another buying entry and expect 32.50 and $33 levels. So 32.85 should be also one good resistance. Then 33 should appear very very soon. Stochastic rising, MACD is in green, trying to rise. RSI looking upwards, again good sign for the bulls here. Look at the 3-hour charts forming a flat base after a couple of retracement candles. Now, what's happening here? Connect the dots. Higher lows are seen looking upwards. Very, very important for it. Very, very important here for silver to trade above 32, 40, 50, which is going to remain crucial. Beyond this, more bullishness should prevail. If you look at the movement in silver here, I have mentioned yesterday as well, and now this is a stronger breakout which it has delivered. The lows of this channel are towards now 31.20. If it breaks out beyond this channel, that is 32.40, 50, we are looking forward to a breakout move again here in silver, where 33, 33.50 level should be there. Very very stochastic has dropped, MACD rising, RSI has come out of the overbought zone. And when you see the 4-hour chart, see this is the candle today and showing a reversal sign. It is trying to rise. Just let it stay above 32.10. When I say 32.10, the lower price has to be above 32.10, and just you can stay bullish. You can look forward to 32.50 and 32.85, $33 levels as the next targets. Possibly there are going to be greater resistances at 32, 40, 50. That is something you should watch out for. Moving averages have crossed over, and these are trading with divergence and bullishness. 30 support levels at 31 are pretty strong now. Stochastic overbought, MACD rising. RSI is also looking upwards as of now. Now, coming to the daily charts, look at the larger picture for silver here. Rise, retracement, and it is bouncing back up again. Now, today, if it breaks beyond 32, 40, 50, you can expect a stronger rise very, very soon in silver, where the prices can in fact head towards 34 or 36 in the near future. When I say near future, it is possible in the month of December itself. But right now, I will say it is very early to comment. It is very early to say that we are looking forward to such a stronger breakout move. The stance is clear, and today's closer is going to be one important thing. As and how it moves beyond 3150 levels, specifically beyond 3250 and 33, we are looking forward to a phenomenal rise here. So today is going to be the day which is going to decide the direction for silver for the near future. Moving averages are looking upwards, and these are willing to cross over. And once this crossover, we can look forward to a rise. Now see, it is coming out of this sideways movement. I have mentioned previously as well. See, double bottom is created, and now silver is ready for a run here. So today, if you see, it is staying above 32.10. Initiate a buying entry for 32.25, 30 and 32.50 levels. Beyond this, 32.85, 33 should be the next targets. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD rising, RSI rising. So buying levels you have seen where you should sell. I will only recommend you to sell if you see it is staying below 31.80 levels, below which you can expect 31.60 and 31.50. Now 31.50 levels, 31.60 levels, which was the resistance earlier, is now going to be the support. Once it trades below these levels is where the bears will be. Take your positions accordingly, take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my Signals channel. Do not miss to the next update before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank